Hello, good morning, friends. We are starting our new playlist that is Daily Run Python, in which we are discussing the problems which is based on our course playlist Python programming, which is uploaded daily. On that, we are performing some examples on that. So, this is our channel, Course Time. In this playlist, there is a playlist named Python Programming. In this course playlist, there are many more examples or programs of basic Python examples are given in these course videos. Just we are this performing practically. So we have this Python folder and we have many more types like means topics, data types, data read, display data, operators, flow control, functions, modules, packages, exceptions handling, files, pickling and unpickling concepts, OS modules, database. In this database, we are going to connect the simple Python program to our Oracle database, string handling part 2, OOPS concepts, and other. And also at the end of this course playlist, we are going to do some 3 to 4 projects on this. So our basically first type is data types. We have basically explained all the data types that are available in the Python. There are total 14 data types. Uh, so that this is so easy. So it is explained in the course videos. Then we have data read operations. In this, we are going to take the examples. First example is about area of Python. We simply open in the ideally because it is very easy and eco-friendly. So simply, this is our program. It is a simple program. In this, there are two topics are discussed. Like this is our float data type. This is the input method from the user, and this is the dot format for adding the answer. Simply, the first line of code is print star 40. This is just for decoration purpose. You can either replace it or leave it. There might be some background noise on my. Our first is r equal to float of input of enter the radius of circle. That is means simply we have to enter the radius of circle. Then after the decoration, print area of circle is in this format dot format. We are using this dot format method, and this is the simple formula for area of circle, like pi r square. So we have to justly click on F5 for running this. Enter the radius of circle. For example, we have to enter radius of circle is 45. Then this is the area of circle 6364.28 and all. So if you want to cut this means up to we have to reach only 2 decimal points. We will use the 0.2f in this dot format. It's simply in the two digit decimal. There are basically means two topics are discussed. Uh, why we are starting this course playlist? Because there are many small minute functions or data types or either small topics from Python which we are covering through these small examples which will be helpful to our cracking our interview. Like there are total three topics are discussed in this program. The first one is about the data type that is float. Second one is our input method. Uh, Third one is our dot format method. These are three topics are discussed in this program. Then we are going to see the another example that is even odd. Just click on the edit with ideally and simply we can open it. So for taking the input using one method so this is the a equal to int of input of enter a number. This is the and we are used a simple statement that is if and else statements. This is the operator. This is the operators is used. Then our else statements. So there are majorly 4 to 5 topics are discussed in this code. Uh, before we are simply in this product program, enter a number 24. Entered number is even. Again, we are running this program F5 23. So entered number is odd. So our program is successful. So we have to discuss the topics are discussed. There are totally 4 to 5 topics are discussed in this. The first one is uh, that is in data type. In data type, what is the use of the in data type? For example, if we just remove this in data type, F5, enter a number 24. Yes. So this is we get an error type error, not all arguments converted during the string formatting, uh, because the simply in Python we understand that every input we have taken it is counted as a str data type. For that we have to prove it. For example, print type of a. This is the function we have used type of function. Simply click 24. Yes. So here we will get the class str of this function like type str. So this is the use of int data type because we have to declare the int because we are discussing or means we are going to discuss about the numbers. So we have to get our int data type mentioned here. Then simply click F5 23. So this is the class int is given. So our program is successful. Simply we will going to use some oh yes. So our first int data type is discussed. Means what is the use of int data type in this function. Second, we use type of function to understand which type of data type we are using in this program. Then we are using if else statement, means if else statements. Then we are using operators like means this is the percentage modulo operator which is given. Modulo operator, it is simply arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Then another operator is used. This is the equality operator. Operator type logical operator. And this is simply type. Yes, there are total means 3, 4, 5. 5 concepts or 5 small topics are used in this simple 8 line of codes, means or 7 line of codes. Like first it's in data type, why we are going to use the int data type. Then we use the type of function for understanding the type which is taken at the input, because if we don't mention the int data type, it will take as a str. So we will get the error. 3 if else statements is used. Operators, fourth topic is operator. That is, we are using a percentage operator and means that is modulo operator or equality operator. So thank you for the day. Thank you.